Namaskaram. So welcome to day 56 of the Safe Soil journey. Hope all of you are doing well and you're able to implement what we've been looking at in the last few days. Last 2 days we were covering about the best way to take a bath and also the frequency and how taking a shower before going to bed can help. So hope you were able to do this. Today I thought we could cover about Sadhguru's presence time, which is between 6:20 to 6:30. So generally between this time, which is 10 minutes from 6:20 to 6:30, Sadhguru was mentioning that this is his time on the planet, and if you're open to it, you can feel his presence very strongly during this time in the evening, 6:20 to 6:30. So the best way you can make use of this is if you're doing something like if you're just sitting with your eyes closed, and if you can do a chant or whatever else which helps you to be focused, then this is the best way to make use of these 10 minutes. So if you have the Sadhguru's app, then you'll find that there is a section which is called as presence time. So you can even set a reminder there which will remind you every day about the presence time. And during the presence time, if you just play the audio which is in the app, then it will guide you through in terms of what you need to do. Maybe the first 7 minutes, I think you just sit with your eyes closed, palms facing upwards, and the last 3 minutes there's a Brahmanand Swarupa chant. So if you can do this, this is the best way to connect with Sadhguru's energies. It's not that you cannot connect with the energies throughout the day. It's just that during this time, these 10 minutes, he said that it is something which is very powerful and you cannot miss it if you are in a certain way. So generally, even in the ashram, you will see that every evening they do this presence time. They even start even much earlier than 6:20 in the evening, where people sit, they prepare themselves, there's some music, and then in the last 10 minutes they sit in silence and they do some Guru Puja. So generally they do some process like this to make best use of the Sadhguru presence time. So he was saying that irrespective of whatever activity which you are doing, please see that at least for those 10 minutes you can stop the activity and just be focused on sitting still. So even if you're into some work, try to manage your schedule in such a way that at least between 6:20 to 6:30 in the evening you can keep yourself free. In some places he also mentioned that you can also do it in the morning, 6:20 to 6:30, but generally in the ashram I've seen that it's only practiced in the evening from 6:20 to 6:30. So whatever is your local time between 6:20 to 6:30 in the evening, please see how you can make use of it. So this is called as Sadhguru presence time, and the guidance is available on the app in terms of what to do. So please share if you've already been doing this and if you've been benefiting from this. If not, try to see if you can go to the Sadhguru app section which is about presence time and set a reminder so that every day it can remind you to sit for the presence time. It'll just take a few days like this. After that you'll get used to it, and you'll know when it is presence time, and you'll your body will just want to sit still and be with Sadhguru during the presence time. Okay, so hope to hear from all of you about your experience about this, and also those of you who have been sharing and doing something, whatever sadhana you have chosen for the safe soil journey. It will be nice to hear from you what you have been, if you have been able to do that consistently since the last over 50 days, if you have been able to do that consistently. So please share with us. It will be nice to hear from all of you. Namaskaram.